good afternoon to all of you. My colleagues in the dais and friends from the media from the state of Meghalaya. This is the second press conference we are holding with regard to the conduct of census 2027. Today we have gathered here to apprise the media about the house listing and housing census. In short, it's called HMO operations, which are to begin from tomorrow morning onwards. So, without much ado, I would like to go ahead with a small, short presentation. Next. As you all are aware, the census of India 2027 will be conducted in two phases. Phase 1, that is house listing and housing census, and the phase 2, population enumeration. Today we are gathered here to discuss about the phase 1, basically house listing and housing census, which is supposed to start from tomorrow. In Meghalaya, the house listing and census, housing census, HLO in short, will commence from 16th of May, that is tomorrow, till 14th of June 2026, and it will be done within a period of 30 days. In our previous press conference, we have spoken about self-enumeration for house listing operations for the public, which started from the 1st of May 2026 and will be ending today by midnight. I would like to inform you all that a total of 8,309 enumerators and supervisors have been appointed for conducting the house listing operations in the state of Meghalaya. And the breakup is as such: 7,025 enumerators and 1,284 number of supervisors has been appointed. Next. This is the brief snapshot about these jurisdictional changes in the state of Meghalaya as compared to the jurisdictional areas, administrative units which existed in the census 2011. The number of districts in 2011 was 7, and this time for census 2027, the number of districts have increased to 12 numbers. And similarly, the number of sub-districts, CNRD blocks, they have increased from 39 in the year 2011 to 56 numbers in for the 2027 census. However, for the statutory towns, it has come down from 10 in 2011 to 9 in 2027. Number of census towns similarly has come down from 12 to 7. Number of urban agglomeration has remained the same. It was 1 in 2011. Similarly, in this census also, it's only one number of urban agglomeration. The number of villages have increased from 6,839 to 7,428 numbers for this census, for the census 2037. The number of house listing blocks as on 13 May 2026 has been fixed at 9,950. It's almost 10,000 house listing blocks. And the jurisdictional changes of administrative unit has been frozen with effect from 1st of January 2026. That is 31st December 2025 was the last day. That was the freezing date for any administrative changes that has taken place.